So, as you know, I love LinkedIn, and for many years, I've really been excited about the concept of organic growth for posts from LinkedIn company page, mainly because most of the clients that I work with don't really want to post from their personal page. Especially if you're a director of a company, you've got more than one employees. Most people want to post from their company name, from the brand, and there's lots of advantages of doing so. And this is why I'm so excited. So let's just jump in. So I'm sharing my screen with you. So I'm going to just make myself smaller. So this is views a personal post, but I recently set up a LinkedIn Breakfast Club page. So let's jump to this. So in the last 6 weeks, I have been posting company page posts via the LinkedIn Breakfast Club for the LinkedIn Breakfast Club, obviously, but also for my clients. And the results are amazing, just as good as the boosts that you would get as a standard member. If you want to know more about that, let me know. But let's just talk about business. So I've only just started this page a couple of months ago, so not got thousands of followers, but ultimately my goal is to build up LinkedIn Breakfast Club followers who are really interested in updates and all our potential customers. So one of the reasons I love posting on company pages is the kind of analytics you get and the statistics. You get much better ones than you do on personal posts. For example, in the last 30 days, 126 unique visitors, 113,000 impressions as views, button clicks. This is what I love and get so excited about. So obviously more followers is exciting. And yes, you can see the names of these people, but button clicks. So this is my company page. I manage it. If I have you as a member, just so you can see. There is a call to action button on the page. I've got sign up, but LinkedIn gives you a number of options. It could be learn more, book now. So you could link it to your calendar, you could link it to your website. But the great thing is, if you're posting on your company page, if I see your content, straight away, I can click that call to action button. Whereas posting from your personal page is a little bit awkward to actually get to your website. So now you can post on your company page. There's a call to action right there that's going to help take people right through. And I've seen it working beautifully. So let's go back to the admin. Let me show you some results. And so this is just from my page, but the results from clients to some degree have even been better. So this is a post I posted 3 days ago, talking about why I love posting company pages. So let's just click on this. 8,000, not amazing, but it's great still. 8,000 views, 26 clicks, 32 comments. So another one, 16,000. Lots of clicks, 16,000. But if I scroll back, what you will see, in fact, let me just go to the analytics, which is up here. If you look at updates, I want to show you there's a couple that I've done without using the help of the Breakfast Club. So here is the last post, 8,016.16. Oh, it's only got, oh, hold on. Let's extend this out. It's all live here. So let's see if that works. So that's 5th of June, update. So this has expanded it out a little bit. So here you see 1613. This is a post that I didn't share in the Breakfast Club. So engagement is absolutely key. I mean, honestly, some of the stats here are so exciting. But what I love even more is what it's doing is actually diverting people straight through to my website, LinkedIn Breakfast Club. Should really know this, shouldn't I? LinkedIn Breakfast Club. Come on, there we go. LinkedIn Breakfast Club. And when people land on my LinkedIn Breakfast Club, like I'm sure most of you have, you are going to get a pop-up when you start browsing on my website and getting the email. And I have seen a huge rise in subscribers. That's people subscribing who then obviously get my newsletter, get my videos, and I've seen an increase in clients. So straight away, you're getting higher views, you're getting more clicks to your website, you get more subscribers, more people seeing you and your business. It's a no-brainer. And while we're here, let's just talk about the price. So for business membership, You get access to boost your company page posts 7 days a week if you want. You can only do 1 or 2. I do recommend you at least 3. You get to boost your company page posts 7 days a week. That's going to give you guaranteed thousands of views every single week. We also give you tips on what you need to do to get the best views. Now, there is a game to play. You need to know what style of post to do, what headline, what questions, and we will keep you up to date every single week. We will give you tips and hints, or every month, to ensure that you know what's current and what's happening right now to help you dominate your sector on LinkedIn. It's a game changer. £149 a month. What you need to do in return for this package is that one member of your team, marketing or whoever that is, could be a VA, basically you will be added to a WhatsApp group, or the person will be. They can share the links to the company page posts any day of the week. It's in the morning, hence why we call the Breakfast Club, 6:30 to 9:30. Other businesses will like and comment on your posts, and you will like and comment on theirs. We have got multiple groups, so you will not be put in what we deem as a competitor. We do allow 2 people per sector in each group, but if it is a competitor, you don't need to like and comment, so don't worry about that. So basically, there's a little bit of time. It takes about half an hour in the morning, but the views is well worth it. If you want support to do that, if you don't have somebody, talk to us. We can offer that service for you, and potentially somewhere along this version. But for £149 a month, your posts, what you're doing is increasing your organic reach on LinkedIn for your company posts. Not only that, but included in that, we will give you 1 membership of the standard one membership personal, where you can actually increase personal posts for you or 1 team member as well. It's a no-brainer. As I said, you're going to get more clicks, you're going to get more followers, you're going to get more subscribers, and it is going to lead to more customers. Where's my face gone? I'm back. What's not to love? £149 is the price only up until the end of July. We have 20 people signed up already, and it's only open to the next 20 people. So if you are wanting to know more information, I would suggest you sign up now. And let me know if you get any questions. Thanks for watching.